How to confirm pregnancy at home. In this video, we will discuss if you're trying to conceive, waiting for signs of pregnancy can be stressful. A missed period, nausea, or dizziness might make you wonder, am I pregnant? That's when a home pregnancy test becomes your first go-to tool. What is a home pregnancy test? A home pregnancy test is a simple tool that detects a hormone called HCG in your urine. Why HCG matters? HCG is the hormone that signals pregnancy. As soon as implantation happens, your body starts producing it. The levels double every 2 to 3 days, and that's what pregnancy tests detect. How soon can a test detect pregnancy? Most home pregnancy tests can detect pregnancy 6 to 14 days after fertilization, or as soon as your period is 1 day late. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such pregnancy-related videos. Please continue watching. When exactly should you test? You can take the test on the first day of your missed period. For best results, use the first urine of the day, which has the highest concentration of HCG. How to take a home pregnancy test. Always follow the instructions on your kit. Some tests ask you to urinate directly on the stick. Others have you collect urine in a cup and use a dropper to place it on the test strip. How test results are shown. Results vary by brand. You might see pink or blue lines, a plus or minus sign, or even a clear message like pregnant or not pregnant in digital tests. Irregular periods. Here's what to do. If your cycles are irregular or you've just stopped birth control, it's hard to know when your period is due. Wait for the number of days your longest cycle usually lasts before testing. Accuracy of home pregnancy tests. When used correctly, most tests are up to 99% accurate, but that depends on how soon you test and the sensitivity of the brand you use. What if you can't buy a test kit? If you're unable to get a test kit immediately, you might be tempted to try natural or home-made tests using toothpaste, vinegar, or baking soda. Do natural tests work? Although popular online, natural home tests are not scientifically reliable. They are not a substitute for real pregnancy tests that detect HCG accurately. If your home pregnancy test is positive, don't wait. Book an appointment with a gynecologist to confirm the pregnancy and begin prenatal care.